Subscribe to Film Companion for your film fix. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.
एक तो शेक्सपियर के टाइम में मुझे नहीं लगता है कि झाड़ू पोछा उतना होता होगा.
You're in a straight jacket with so many compartments. You have to tick all the boxes and then find your voice.
जिंदगी में ही हो गई है तहजीब कम. गानों में क्यों, गाने पे क्यों बेचारे पे प्रेशर है इतना.
That's a great line.
Hey everyone, so this is our first Artists Adda. I thought it would be interesting to bring together artists from different fields of filmmaking. Get a bunch of them together and sort of talk about the art and craft and what they do. And this is our first one. It's got some of the most wonderful lyricists working today. I'm thrilled to have here Varun Grover, Amitabh Bhattacharya, Swanand Kirkire, Kausar Munir, and Anvita Dutt, who right now is having Wi-Fi issues and so hasn't joined, but I'm really hopeful that she's going to join us at some point in this conversation. Everybody, welcome to the Artists Adda. We are, of course, here to talk about the art and the craft of songwriting, but I want to begin with a number. So I asked each one of you how many songs approximately you've written. And then I totaled it, and between the five of you, it includes Anvita, you've written 816 songs.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Oh my God.
Isn't that amazing?
800. Oh my. No way.
Yes.
But I think Amitabh की वजह से है ये number.
This is all Amitabh.
Amitabh was the highest.
I was just going to say, yeah.
But you have all sort of written a song for every emotion that a human being can feel, and probably some that we don't even know we're feeling, and you've expressed it. So first of all, thank you so much for the work.
Thank you.
Thank you. Our pleasure.
So I want to start with asking, there's this notion that during the lockdown, writers must have been the sort of most productive. That whole line about Shakespeare having written, I think it was King Lear during the plague, it has been sort of repeated on the net, writers to वैसे भी यही करते हैं. So in an enforced situation, you're probably all just sitting and cranking out. Is that true? Have you all been productive, extraordinarily productive in these last 4 months?
Not at all.
No.
Yes, same here.
Absolutely not. Yeah.
I was hoping कि बाकी लोग बोलेंगे कि नहीं हाँ फिर मैं बोलूँगा कि मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया, but actually I have been the least productive, I guess. Nothing much has been happening. I've not been really feeling up to it, to be very honest. I haven't been writing much.
But some writing pressures have kept the lockdown interesting. It's like कि करना है में दिल कट जाता है. तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं दिन निकल जाता है. तो लॉकडाउन इजी है. So the pressures are there, but work wise I don't think much work has happened, and songwriting to absolutely no, apart
Really?
from one or two advertising jobs which randomly came.
Right.
And Varun, Kausar, for you?
I think the problem is with the word enforced. So, when you feel that, you have to, and it's not true that, you sit down, you have your laptop, you have your privacy and your isolation and you write. It's so important, this kind of, the interaction and the meeting and the absorption and the filling yourself in, and so you're able to, kind of recreate or create is so important. और वो अब हमको पता चल रहा है कि sometimes if you go away out of the city together, how important that is, and why is that important? Because it takes you away from, it takes you literally into that land, I feel, from where the script is created and the songs are coming or whatever.
एक तो शेक्सपियर के टाइम में मुझे नहीं लगता है कि झाड़ू पोछा उतना होता होगा. That was a time of, ठीक है, मतलब वो, और शेक्सपियर पता नहीं कैसे गुफा में रहता था कि घर में रहता था, वो भी मुझे नहीं पता है. मतलब प्रॉब्ली वो मिट्टी के जमीन होती थी, तो झाड़ू पोछे का पॉइंट ही नहीं. और दूसरा है, आई फील on a serious note, actually, it is a time of great churning or observations, overwhelming time hai, which is good for every artist, everybody who is, observing the world. So lots to think about. Maybe not lots to write about immediately, but that time
Yeah.
will come. We will write about these times and we will write about the things we are feeling right now, but probably too soon to immediately write it.
Tell me about this process of writing. Is there a ritual? Is there a place where you write? How do songs come? Do they come in a rush, or do you just sit there and struggle with a tune? How does it work?
For us, I would say merely, not that I'm speaking for everybody, but somewhere I feel I can. It's mainly the melody. When we're working for films, it's all very sound and melody driven. So pehle it's always a melody which is being logged, or a track, and we have it with us, and uske upar humko ek wo the keyword of a life, we have to look for a hook, that catchphrase, hum wohi dhoondte rehte hain, then work backwards, make the rest of the song, back and forth on drafts. So that is usually the process which happens. It's very sound and very melody driven. Really, it happens that we have to come up with an idea, give it to maybe the composer or the director, and they say ki acha chalo is pe gana bana ke dekhte hain. Mostly it's we are caught up in that meter and that length of the song and a few lines, and usi pe karte rehte hain. Matlab mere liye mostly that's how it happens.
But for the rest of you, do you just jot down ideas? Amitabh, you said you work very specifically to the task given.
Absolutely.
But for the rest of you, do you kind of just have ideas, maybe scribble in a notebook or make notes on your phone?
No.
Or does any of that happen?
You keep writing. For me, it's like I keep writing, and sometimes like I go back and I see, oh my god, I used this phrase somewhere in a song which I had written a long back, but it's never a conscious thing. I don't I think it's written, it's basically rehearsing it here. So sometimes you are in love with certain words and you are playing with those words constantly, in this, इधर भी बोलते हो आप घर वालों से भी बात करते टाइम वो वर्ड इस्तेमाल करते हो, और वो वर्ड कभी अचानक से गाने में आ जाता है, एंड यू रियलाइज कि अरे ये तो आ गया, तो ऐसे होता है. बट जॉटिंग ऐसे लिख के या कोई डायरी मेंटेन करके, इट्स नॉट माय प्रोसेस इज बेसिकली, I fortunately I also work with a lot my directors, where you are working with the directors, composer, writer, everybody together, like, so you are in a process of making a song with the team.
Yeah.
So that process also I've enjoyed a lot in my life, and I've loved that, doing that also at the same time. And
but actually that was my next question. So you've got, Amitabh, you said you've got the tune, right? So that's the main thing, that is your playing field. You have to play within that.
Right.
Then you've got the characters in the script. Then you've got the director's brief. Then you've got the composer's brief. Then you probably have the music company owner's brief. Now, in all of this, how do you retain your voice? How do you try and put in some poetry into this very kind of technical art that you practice?
Thank you for saying that. But yes, that's exactly what it is. Like you're in a straight jacket with so many compartments. You have to tick all the boxes and then find your voice. So it's really, there's art, craft, skill, everything, and then some intuition and whatever. And isliye I find it a very difficult argument. Jab log, there is this perception where people look down upon songwriters, lyricists as they are not poets. Yeah, maybe we are not poets. Maybe, because maybe we are, but that poetry, writing shairi or kavita or doing a mushaira or doing a kavi sammelan is very, very, very different from doing the job that we do, and that most people don't understand. And there's little snobbery that Hindi Urdu walon mein hoti hai, ek thoda sa, there's a chip on the shoulder. So that is, it's very important to understand that the job requirement, poetry is in fact, sorry to say, the least of it. You have to somehow gusao it if you can, and I just
how do you gusao it? Varun, how do you gusao poetry?
So that's why I've not worked a lot, because for me, thankfully, I have other kind of side professions or actual profession.
Yeah, you contributed the least, only 52 songs to that 816.
Yeah, I know, मुझसे कम तो नहीं होंगे किसी के, पर क्योंकि मैं फिल्म भी लिख रहा हूँ, मैं कॉमेडी भी कर रहा हूँ, तो मेरा पूरा का पूरा, मतलब पूरी जीविका इस पे नहीं चल रही है, तो I can choose people I work with, and I do choose people I work with, at least people who understand poetry, who are, who are willing to work with me because of poetry and not because of, any other whatever things I can bring to the to the song. तो एक तो कोशिश वो है, दूसरा obviously you always have that give and take kind of a thing. आप जो चीज आपको पसंद है और जो आप बचाना चाहते हो उसके लिए फिर आप लड़ते हो और आप फिर कुछ और देते हो उनको, ठीक है, वो बोलते हैं ठीक है आपको ये लाइन रखनी है तो रखिए, फिर आप एक अच्छा सा हुक दे दीजिए या आप अंतरा बदल दीजिए, और अंतरा बदलने में कोई अंतरा नहीं सुन रहा है आज की तारीख में।
अंतरे में तो वरुण का ही डायलॉग है, वरुण ही बोलता है।
दूसरा अंतरा क्यों बनवाते हैं आजकल लोग, मुझे आज मतलब दूसरे अंतरे में आई कीप सेइंग आप डेड बॉडी भी छुपा सकते हो एंड नोबडी विल नोटिस, एंड दैट्स
मुझे लोगों ने ये भी बोला है कि अंतरा तो अच्छा ही लिखता है, और मैंने ऐसे भी मतलब ये किए हुए कि सेम अंतरा दो लोगों को भी सुना है, उनको पता नहीं चला हुआ है, तो जस्ट फॉर फन यू कैन डू दैट।
So it's all about a hook line. That's it.
No, it is about.
अब तो वो भी नहीं है, अब तो
depend. हाँ.
In the newer times तो वो भी नहीं बचा. The hooks are also not working now.
तो फिर
it's the beat.
See, I feel क्या है?
अब तो remix वर्क कर रहा है, दिलबर दिलबर दिलबर.
मतलब hook line है, गाना है, मतलब now it's more जैसा कि आपने in your question itself वो बात अपनी जगह है कि with so many parameters and yardsticks that we work, we have a melody. First of all, we have a situation obviously for a certain characters from a film. उसके हिसाब से maybe the melody has been decided. अब उसके हिसाब से lyrics आएंगे. So that is one direction in which you work. फिर आप finally एक result तक पहुंचते, you create a song, एक structure ready होता है for मुखड़ा और अंतरा. But then eventually जब पूरा ready होता है तभी decision लिया जाता है कि okay, it's nice but this song is not great. Then you get back to the drawing board. Again फिर वो process शुरू होता है. So in the entire process एक film में अगर we have 5 to 6 situations or 4 to 5 situations, actually at the end of it जब album release होता है, मतलब आप तब तक actually 5-6 albums का काम एक ही फिल्म में कर चुके हैं. So सारी इन चीजों को मिला के I feel that's why जैसा कि even Kausar said कि the work we do is more of a technical work. मतलब हम we are more technicians than artists या poets या writers. I feel वो जिस तरीके से हम गाने को फाइनल शेप देते हैं बहुत टेक्निकलिटी से, तब जाके वो सही जगह पे एक गाना आके पहुंच पाता है.
And I guess the genius is that you can combine poetry and
technique.
I
think everybody has that thing, because you cannot take that poetry away from people. तो वो आती ही है किसी न किसी तरह से, अपने अपने तरीके से आई जाती है. But yeah, you were saying something, Varun.
मैं ये कह रहा था थोड़ा सा साइकोलॉजिकली भी प्ले करना पड़ता है कई बार. मतलब जैसे कि अगर मुझे एक पसंद आ गया, एक जो मैंने वर्जन लिखा है, तो मैं फिर 2 और वर्जन लिख के जाता हूँ, तो एक उससे भी ज्यादा मुश्किल होता है और एक उससे थोड़ा सा नीचे का होता है, और ताकि वो देख सकें कि देखो नीचे गए तो यहाँ पहुंचेंगे, ऊपर गए तो वहां पहुंचेंगे, ये ठीक है, ये जो है ये बोल रहा है ये ठीक है. तो वहां से वो थोड़ा सा साइकोलॉजिकली प्ले. एंड आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस गो विद मल्टीपल वर्जन एंड दैट्स हाउ इट काइंड ऑफ वर्क्स. बट to give them also to understand which director or which composer to give which version first.
Right.
होते हैं जिनको पहली चीज पसंद आती है और उसी पे अटक जाते हैं. कुछ होते हैं जो पहली बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद आती, तो उनको पहले मत दो.
उनको ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आपकी पहली ड्राफ्ट उन्होंने अप्रूव कर दी तो एक्चुअली आपने मेहनत ही नहीं किया. आप
और वो भी मेहनत नहीं कर रहे और वो भी अपना काम नहीं कर रहे.
When it comes to give me a syllable song, I cannot give you, because I don't know that way. I only know because I love cinema as a storytelling medium, and I want to be the storytelling what do you call it? Storytelling solution.
Right, the enabler. You want to be the
enabler. Yeah. The lyrical enabler.
Correct.
The lyrical assistant to the storyteller. So that way it works very well when it comes to when somebody is asking you to do that. Then you are a king. Then you can give. And
in fact, this is a very valid point which he said. The lyrical assistant to a storyteller. Actually, अगर देखा जाए तो that is the job description जो एक lyricist कर रहा है.
Yeah.
So let me ask you this: when you say कि okay, we are the lyrical assistants and we this is what we do. So when you're writing, do you sort of mindfully think about? I know Swana, you said कि I don't know how to write a saleable song या कितने views आएंगे, but do you think कि ये accessible है कि नहीं? ये language लोगों को समझ आएगी कि नहीं? Do you think of those things कि this word is simpler, let me use that?
For me, it's always I don't think in those terms, because I think all words people understand if you put them in a correct context, and if they are coming from heart. So I don't think in those terms. I leave it, because sometimes, you know, things change. You know, people according to their understandings keep changing words for you. You know, somebody will say कि यार कोई difficult कोई नया word लाओ, और कोई बोलेगा कि यार ये word तो किसी को समझ में नहीं आएगा. और जब अरे ये तो बहुत यूज्ड वर्ड है, उसी वर्ड को ये भी बोल दिया जाएगा कि ये बहुत यूज्ड वर्ड है, इसको चेंज कर देते. तो वो that keeps changing, but the overall idea is, for me, is to, it has to be simplified. You know, that's what Hindi film songs are all about. You know, if they are not reaching, we are working in a popular medium. It's not a मुक्त छंद की कविता हम लिखने नहीं बैठे हुए हैं यहाँ पे कि मतलब जो टेढ़ी मेढ़ी होगी तभी समझ में आएगी, ऐसा कुछ. तो जितना आसान होगा उतना उसको आसान बनाने का ही काम करने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो या that way, yeah, the idea is to keep it simple.
Same for you, Kausar?
Simplicity, yes, but with kind of some, which I'm sure all my colleagues will agree with, the depth that is required.
Absolutely, yeah.
And also there I agree with Amitabh ki there has to be difficult or simple, there has to be a musicality to the word. So so agar wo sunne mein acha laga, like somebody like Pritam scores a lot, he does not even understand half the simple words, so it's very difficult in that way. It would be difficult to work with a composer who's not getting half of the words that you're using, but he has such a strong hold on how it will sound and how it, you know, so you know, the meaning intact. तो वो भी देखना पड़ता है, I feel. Then so, and I have learned that. Initially I used to be like, oh, but the thought is so good and it's fitting and usko fit kar de. No, that's why it's a song and not a dialogue. And that's why it's a lyric.
Often what happens is ki primarily all of us, even when I write or whenever I started writing, you know, the primary objective is ki yes, we are assisting the storyteller's process. So the song, whatever we are writing in the song, needs to first justify the situation, the melody, and you know, for all of us, primarily it's the composer and the director. हम लोग तीन लोग, we are on the same page, so for us it's working. But in the process, over the years, जैसे कि कुछ गाने आप लोग अभी कह रहे थे कि जिनका स्टोरी से लेना देना नहीं होता है, you know, आज के ज़माने we call them the end credit song, that end credit का एक promotional number आता है. So वो भी एक ट्रेंड चल के आया कि चलिए आपने फिल्म में दो गाने लिखे which were pertaining to the script and the situation. There was this one song which was just a, you know, a trump card वो एंड में डाल दिया गया कि उसको प्रमोट करेंगे. So वो भी एक कैटेगरी बन गई है, ऑफन होता है. लेकिन मेरे साथ अक्सर ऐसा हुआ है कि I've come across an album or a script where I see that there is this opportunity. In fact, that's what I always look for in an album or a film when I'm working for. कि there's a range of 5-6 songs. तो मुझे मालूम है कि वहां पे मैं 2-3 गाने ऐसे हैं जहां पे I'll be really able to justify the script, write something poetic or of something value or something radical or interesting, and there'll be a couple of songs जहां पे कि that syllable factor will also be taken care of. कि समझ लीजिए एक like I've written for a film like अग्निपथ, तो वहां पे you have one देवा श्री गणेशा भी है, वहां एक चिकनी चमेली भी है जो बाद में डाला गया almost फिल्म को प्रमोट करने के लिए. तो और if suppose there's a song called Rabta in a film, Agent Vinod, although दोनों ही गाने बहुत ज्यादा they don't really appear in the film that much, so you do one Rabta, but then there's one Pyar Ki Pungi which comes in the end credits, got nothing to do with the film.
Right.
So तो मेरा भी वो है कि वो एक बैलेंस अगर मिल जाता तो एज एन आर्टिस्ट, सिंस आई एम द गाय हु ओनली डज दिस, तो मेरे लिए वो बैलेंस जरूरी होता है कि अगर मैं एक फिल्म में सिर्फ बहुत अच्छा पोएटिक और इंटेलेक्चुअल लिख रहा हूँ तो वो भी है, लेकिन कहीं पे थोड़ा मसाला भी मिले तो इवन आई एंजॉय माय सेल्फ.
Correct. You need poetry, but you need the masala as well.
मसाला भी चाहिए, तो वो मेरे बैलेंस के लिए भी अच्छा होता है कि
हाँ, मेरा थोड़ा ब्लैंड है.
अमिताभ का स्कोर सबसे ऊपर है.
हाँ. हमारी मुर्गी में मसाला कम है, ब्लैंड है हमारा मामला.
आपका कॉन्टिनेंटल है, मैं थोड़ा अपना देसी.
So, you know, a couple of years ago, I was at the Jaipur Literature Festival and I was listening to a talk by Javed Akhtar, and, you know, he was sort of lamenting the loss of grace and gravitas in today's lyrics. And he said, maaf karna, lekin tehzeeb thodi kam ho gayi hai hamare ganon mein. Do you agree with that? Tehzeeb thodi kam ho gayi hai?
जिंदगी में ही हो गई है तहजीब कम, गानों में क्यों, गाने पे क्यों बेचारे पे प्रेशर है इतना?
हाँ
Great line.
सही
So,
बात है। सब जगह
हम लोग
कम है, तहजीब कल्चर में कम हो गई, फिल्मों में कम हो गई है,
फिल्मों में
कहानियों में
correct.
जो वहाँ पे कैरेक्टर अगर
I don't totally agree. I feel जो बेतहजीब गाने हैं उनको ज्यादा ट्रैक्शन मिलता है. They are more kind of powers that be tend to put them out more. Because पहले क्या था कि जो फिल्में आती थी और जो एल्बम्स बनते थे, सबको everybody used to get a fair hearing of all the songs, and then you chose what you like, and it was literally album driven. अब ये है कि what the powers that be, whether it's the music composers or not the composers, but the producers and the music companies,
Yeah.
they select what they feel are the engines, the masalas, the whatever, and those are the only ones that we just hear the blue hai pani 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 panis, and we don't kind of hear the rest of the rainbow, which has all, may have lots of nuanced colors. So that's
Right.
the problem.
हाँ एक्चुअली इवन अ फिल्म लाइक से कबीर सिंह, जिसको हम बोलेंगे नहीं कि तहजीब वाली फिल्म है, लेकिन उसके अंदर गाने बहुत तहजीब वाले हैं अगर आप देखें तो, इनफैक्ट वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड वेरी।
लेकिन मुझे तहजीब से शब्द से मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि तहजीब क्या होती है। जब हम प्यार को कहने के तरीके ढूंढ रहे होते हैं, तो किसी चीज को कहने के तरीके, जब सोसाइटी बदल रही है तो वो तहजीब हम गानों में क्यों रखे जो पुरानी है? वो तहजीब का भी नया, वो आज की जनरेशन जिस तरह से चीजों को, एक मैं तुझसे प्यार करता हूँ कहने के लिए पिछली जनरेशन 15 बार सोचती थी, 6 गाने लिख देती थी। आज वो हमको कहने का नया तरीका ढूंढने की जरूरत पड़ रही है, क्योंकि वो नए तरीके से हो रहा है सब कुछ। तो मुझे लगता है कि वो जो तहजीब की भी जो डेफिनेशन है वो कॉन्स्टेंटली बदलती रहती है।
Even I agree with that. I agree with that. Yes. कि certain liberties जो लैंग्वेज के टर्म्स में या सिनेमैटिकली हम पहले नहीं लेते थे, अब वो जब ली जा रही हैं, also the people who are making those films, writing those scripts, जो the teams, उन सबका understanding and grasp of language वो भी change हो रहा है, तो again keeping everybody on the same page. हाँ, correct.
And cinema, for me, according to my understanding, cinema is constantly looking for a new language. Even lyrics, हमारे लिरिक्स लगातार एक नई भाषा की तलाश में है कई सालों से, और सारे लिबास बदल गए हैं लोगों के, लेकिन भाषा लिबास बदलती है, भाषा के कपड़े बदलते हैं तो लोगों को बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है। अरे इसमें अंग्रेजी क्यों आ गई, अरे इसमें से वो क्यों चला गया। जिंदगी में सारे कपड़े बदल गए, शॉर्ट्स में आते हैं अच्छे अच्छे बड़े बड़े नामी धुरंधर लोग, लेकिन भाषा का पजामा नहीं उतरना चाहिए। ये बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है।
I agree with that.
Okay, but speaking of Tehzeeb, you said Amitabh that you also wrote Chikni Chameli, right? So now this is genuinely something I struggle with a lot, is the item number, right? Because for me, Bidi Jalaile is one of the great highlights of my cinema going experience. I would not want to have a world without Bidi Jalaile. Amit, I'm so glad you joined us. We were just starting to talk about the item song. So you joined us at an opportune moment. So I was just telling everybody else that, one of my great pleasures is a song like Bidi Jalaile, which I absolutely loved, and enjoyed it very much. But there is also all the rest of it that we have to consider when it comes to songs like that. The objectification of women, the lyrics, which sometimes just reduce women, not even to body parts, but just to things. Given all of this, how do you approach these songs? And have any of you ever had an experience when you actually just refused to write one, or refused to write a lyric that doesn't agree with your sensibility?
हाँ, मैंने तो बहुत बार मना किया है, बहुत बार ही किया है। हाँ, इसलिए 52 गाने हैं मेरे। लेकिन नहीं, एक बार मुझे एक प्रोड्यूसर ने बुलाया और पहली ही मीटिंग थी, मतलब somebody called me saying कि आप जाके मिलें, और some actor called me and the actor was in that film and they said कि आप जाइए और मिलिए प्रोड्यूसर से, they want to get you to write the lyrics. तो मैं पहली ही मीटिंग थी, मेरे को फिल्म के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता है, प्रोड्यूसर का नाम सुनना हुआ है, वहाँ प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर दोनों बैठे थे। उन्होंने फिल्म के बारे में उन्होंने भी कुछ नहीं बताया, उन्होंने गाने की सिचुएशन बताई और बोला कि आप लिख दीजिए। तो मैं पहले ही थोड़ा सा आई वाज पिस्ड ऑफ कि कहानी कहाँ है, स्क्रिप्ट कहाँ है, कुछ मुझे पता नहीं है, आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो मैं लिख दूं, तो मैंने बोला आप कहानी बता दीजिए, कम से कम स्क्रिप्ट में पढ़ लूं तो मैं बात कर सकता हूँ। दे सेड कि नहीं वो सब क्या करोगे, गाना लिख दो, यहीं ऑफिस में खाली पड़ा है, शाम 7 बज चुके थे, तो ऑफिस खाली पड़ा है, यहाँ पे कमरा है, आप यहाँ बैठ जाइए, लिख दीजिए, आधे घंटा हम हैं यहाँ पे। आई वाज लाइक वेट, आर यू सेइंग अभी लिख दो? बोला हाँ अभी लिख दो, और इट वाज एन आइटम सॉन्ग एंड विद नो, एंड दैट्स व्हाट दे सेड कि इसमें क्या, आपको स्क्रिप्ट का क्या करना है, क्लब में चल रहा है, लड़की नाच रही है और ये हीरो और उसका दोस्त वहां पे आए हैं, एंड दैट्स ऑल। एंड देन दे सेड कि मैंने मना किया, मैंने बोला मैं नहीं लिख सकता एक हफ्ते के अंदर, आधे घंटे के अंदर, मैं एक हफ्ता कम से कम लेता हूँ। तो दे सेड कि अरे हमने इतना हिट गाना हमने आधे घंटे में बनाया था, देयर वाज अनदर हिट सॉन्ग तेरा प्यार प्यार हुक्का बार, व्हिच probably the same team had made, and they said कि वो तो हमने आधे घंटे में लिखा था, आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप ऐसे क्यों भाव खा रहे हो and all that. So I said, वही आप उसी को रिमिक्स कर लो, इसमें चल जाएगा। But yeah, that's kind of has happened.
Anita, have you ever said no to anything?
You know, I think everybody's kind of given up on me, on my composer friends, because I'm actually not, I'm a fake lyricist. I just got that opportunity to write songs, and one thing led to the other, and I've carried on writing songs, always in the fear that I'm going to be found out sooner or later. But I just write it because it's so much fun. So I actually like stories. So when I write songs, I need to understand ki ye story mein what role is it playing, what is it doing at that point in time, conveying at that point in time. And item songs by default really are not doing anything much in that moment. So I just draw a blank. I'm terrible. And also, item song is one thing when you hear that dreaded word hook, the moment, because I always arrive at a hook when I'm writing a song. I don't think of, I can't. I'm challenged that way. That's my. So I first of all just find it impossible to write. Most of the albums that I've done, the so-called item songs, been written by someone else. I find it very hard to write it. But having said that, you mentioned B. Jalali. To me, that's poetry, and it's introducing a character, and it is relevant. And you, so calling it items, you itemize the purpose of a song. You can have a fun, mad dance number, which can be incredibly written and can be evocative and interesting or fun or new, unusual. I think I think Amitabh's done some fantastic songs, but it would be such a disservice to call them item songs, just that word itself.
Kajrare, for example.
Kajrare, I was just and it doesn't fit into the story in that sense. It is an item song as far as the film is concerned.
But, oh my God, it's so.
But it requires
it's a beautiful song.
Gulzar Saab to, make eyes ask personal questions and whatnot.
Correct. आंखें भी कमाल करती हैं,
पर्सनल से सवाल
करती हैं।
अरे तेरी बातों में किवाम की खुशबू है, मतलब का पूरा कल्चर लेके आ जाता है।
Right. Amitabh, what is your feeling about this?
See, my feeling is, in fact, जहाँ से हमने बात शुरू ही की थी कि there are, for me, this entire process over the last 10-12 years that I've done, lot of things, when I came in, I had no clue of what I was doing, because anyways, I got into lyrics writing very reluctantly. I always wanted to be so वो जब मैंने शुरू किया करना, तो for a few years, I was not really thinking about these aspects कि okay, मैं जो काम कर रहा हूँ उसका जो consequential part है, what happens after, how is it perceived, how do I perceive my songs after I write them, after the film is released, I watch it later, or when people come and give me the feedback. So मैंने अपने इस journey में बहुत सी चीजें सीखी हैं कि okay, this is what I want to do, what I don't want to do. To start with, for example, अपने time पे जब हमने चिकनी चमेली किया था in the film Agnipath itself, I remember rest of the songs were made and that so-called item number was needed. And we had tried quite a few attempts, Ajay Atul and me, and nothing was getting approved. Nothing was working. It had come to a point that, simultaneously some other composers and lyricists had also been asked to give some options. Taki agar wahan work kar jaye, to it will come in the film. So, in the end moment, I don't know whose idea it was, but I think Ajay Atul ka existing Marathi gana, Komdi Padali, they took the rights of it and उन्होंने कहा उसको हिंदी करते हैं. तो again I had a very set parameter, एक धुन थी, उस mood को करना है. And while I was in the struggle of it कि okay we have to crack a song and make it work and so that the entire album stays in our kitty. So उस वक्त your sensibility, your technical or lyrical sensibilities take over. तो अच्छा ये अच्छा लग रहा है, अच्छा ये अच्छा लग रहा है, अच्छा ये अच्छा लग रहा है, करते करते we arrived at चिकनी चंद. It worked, everybody approved, हो गया. But later on जब वो गाना रिलीज हुआ, बाद में आया, कई साल हुए, over the years our perception of as a society, our awareness as artists has changed. So now when I look back, if today at this point in time मुझे वही situation, वही धुन भी दी जाए, I'll probably not go with those choice of words because I have evolved as an artist, as a person.
Beautiful thing to say, Adam.
हाँ, तो वो होता है. तो I had nothing to follow. I learned from my own experience कि अच्छा यार ये काम करना है, ये फिलहाल तो सुनने में अच्छा लग रहा है, लेकिन इसके consequences कुछ और हो सकते हैं. So maybe I should not do this. So वो अब जाके when I started, I was around 30, 32, और I'm 43. So now I look at it differently when I look back. Yeah.
Nukma, it's also a luxury, because it's naukri. We are commissioned writers and lyricists. You get called. It's your responsibility to deliver to whatever the vision of the director might be. But what happens is when you are new, when you're struggling, when that check matters a lot to you, it's very hard to take that moral call. So sometimes it will be written because it's going to pay your rent.
मेरे पास कभी कोई उस तरह से आया नहीं. और जैसे हमने तो 60s के जो आइटम सॉन्ग्स थे कि बाबूजी धीरे चलना, प्यार में जरा समझ लगी, that you make that item situation also into a philosophical ब्यूटीफुल एक पोएटिक ट्रिप पे आप ले जाते हो उसको. तो
करेक्ट
यहाँ कुछ समय वो भी करने का बड़ा रोमांस था. तो कैसी पहेली है जिंदगानी लिखने का हमारा जो था, वी वर लाइक उस ट्रिप पे थे कि अगर कोई क्रूनर है और जो बार में गा भी रही है तो आप उसके मुंह से बड़ी बड़ी बातें निकालेंगे, उसके मुंह से कुछ ही बात नहीं निकलेगी.
करेक्ट.
लेकिन मुखड़ा अंतरे वाली बात, अभी ये सब अच्छी बात में हो गई, शिकायतें कब करेंगे हम लोग?
नहीं
अभी करेंगे ना, आ रहा है टाइम, the time is coming.
मैं वहीं आ रही हूँ कौशल. So I wanted to say I had a great time prepping for this interview because I was going back and watching your songs and listening to your songs on YouTube, and I realized that more often than not your names are not there. I think Varun, I saw your name with Rail Masan का जो गाना है, Rail से गुजरती है. But I think Anvita, I did not see खुदा जाने में नाम नहीं है. All your songs, and I was like, oh my god! So it stops at the composer. Now it's just, to me that just seemed like, I can't believe this. Why do we know who's written these lyrics? Because they're so important. So how do we fix this? What are the powers that play here?
And not just YouTube, all the newer platforms as well, which we have.
All the apps and platforms. Yeah, हम लोग का नाम नहीं लेता है.
Varun should take this one.
Even.
हाँ बोलिए आप बोलिए. अच्छा नहीं, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि हम लोग तो कुछ नहीं है, गुलजार साहब के नाम नहीं है. आप गुलजार साहब के गाने ढूंढेंगे अगर YouTube पे ऑफिशियल चैनल्स पे, नॉट लाइक रैंडम फैंस भी डालते हैं जिसमें वो फैन अपना लास्ट में फोन नंबर भी दे देता है कि मुझे कॉल करना पसंद आए तो. लेकिन जो ऑफिशियल YouTube चैनल्स ऑफ म्यूजिक companies that own that music, companies that have produced those films, उसमें भी कंपोजर का नाम रहता है. कई बार कंपोजर का रहता है, सिंगर का नहीं रहता है, लिरिक्स राइटर का अक्सर नहीं रहता है. सबसे ज्यादा all the platforms which are like Spotify and Saavn and Gaana and the new platforms which are coming, apps which are coming, so they have the songs sorted by composers or singers. So you can search for the composer name and you'll get all the songs so they have tagged the song. They have not tagged the songs with lyrics writers who are an equal partner in any song.
Even they have an algorithm, like I'm a singer, so मेरे पास में एक Spotify by artist है, अगर मान लो यार Apple by artist for artists है, उसके अंदर मैं जाता हूँ तो एज ए सिंगर मेरा गाना कितना प्ले हुआ है, कहाँ प्ले हुआ है, कितनी जगह पे प्ले हुआ है, देयर आर एल्गोरिथम्स लाइक इन प्लेस. like I can say कि यार मेरा ये गाना and they change all this thing, but as a lyricist कोई algorithm ही नहीं है, कोई methodology नहीं है कि जिसके अंदर मैं ये देख सकूं कि मेरे गाने as a lyricist कहाँ stand कर रहे हैं in social, because they cannot be searched by the name of lyrics.
And very often on the team itself, the composer, the producer, the production company, you know, they will, now there's a trend to introduce it on Twitter or social media, whatever. Most often than not, the lyricist's name will not be there for the song launch. You know?
Absolutely.
You'll have a video of the song launch, and I think, see, that's the problem. That's why I said in the food chain, it's like that's the least prominent. You're not a performing artist, and you're not, you know. So naam ki gum hai.
Or why do they always forget? You know, that's another question. कि हर बार क्यों भूल जाते हैं? जैसे एक फिल्म के लिए मेरा नाम लिरिक में आया ही नहीं. वरुण ने उसको ट्वीट किया. वरुण ने ट्वीट.
Which film was this? I remember.
This was
Helicopter.
Correct.
Helicopter. Then Ajay himself did that, rectified it, said sorry. All that happened. But वो हर बार वो बात वहीं पहुंचती है. मुझे याद है कि रॉकस्टार का एल्बम जब रिलीज हुआ था, रॉकस्टार का एल्बम इमेजिन उसके बढ़िया काम मेरे ख्याल से खुद भी माने. हाँ, उसके कवर पे उसके उस समय कैसेट और ये आते थे सीडी, पे इरशाद का नाम नहीं था. First cover when it came out, Irshad's name was not there. What was Rockstar album without Irshad's work?
Absolutely.
True. Absolutely.
And
so is there no way to sort of try and address this as a collective?
We are trying. We are doing absolutely. Even Javed Saab and all are doing it with IPRS and everything. But right now we have raised this question with these the thing you said, Anu. We have raised this with Writers Association, and we are in the process of writing a letter to all these people. So we are addressing it on our own level, but it has to be addressed on a
नहीं. और
consciousness level. ये क्या
एक जो चीज हमेशा लगती है, it's very ironical that you know these songs that we talk about, जैसे हम लोग lyricist right now, हम लोग यहाँ पे हैं, तो जैसे हम सब ने एक गाना लिखा है किसी ने, हम उस गाने को दुनिया भर में सर्च करते हैं जिस नाम से, वो नाम जिसने दिया है उसी का नाम नहीं होता है.
Exactly.
वो भी ironical. मतलब इसमें जब बच्चा पैदा हुआ, बच्चे का नाम किसने रखा था किसी को ध्यान नहीं. किसने वो पहली टॉफी लेके दी थी सबको याद है, किसने साइकिल लेके खरीद के दी थी, जिसने बच्चे का नाम रखा उसी का नाम बताया. That's very ironical and sad.
It is. And because, so, you know, I think Hindi film music, I always think of it as something that sort of permeates and punctuates every moment of our life. You know, matlab, from the birthday parties to our weddings. So, without those songs and those words, I don't think half of India would know how to express love.
Exactly.
You know, again, we didn't have the words you gave us. So it's just, I felt I was just so taken aback that so more than not, it wasn't there. And Varun, you also spoke in an interview about, you know, going to an awards function, and you said that writers, technicians were always seated at the back. It's so geared towards just having stars in front. You know, how do you process this? How do you deal with this?
I think कल्चरली कुछ बदलना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि और कोई तरीका नहीं. हम लोग वैसे शोर मचा रहे हैं और हम लोग मचाते रहेंगे और हम लोग ट्विटर पे और इधर उधर टैग करेंगे, बट अल्टीमेटली इट इज अ कल्चरल इशू. एंड दिस सिस्टम ऑफ यू नो ट्रीटिंग इट थ्रू दीज their own capitalistic hierarchies. I don't even know if it is capitalistic or just stupid, plain stupid. कोई लॉजिक नहीं है इसका. कि लेकिन आप देखेंगे तो वो फिल्म में अपने आप से इन्होंने सिस्टम बना लिया है कि ये सबसे ऊपर है, स्टार है, फिर डायरेक्टर है, फिर जो भी अपना एक बनाया हुआ है. उसमें लिरिक्स राइटर बहुत ही पीछे आते हैं, टेक्नीशियन बहुत ही पीछे आते हैं. पीपल हु एक्चुअली मेक द फिल्म. Editing is, I think, one of the most important parts of filmmaking, and they are treated like shit most of the times. हर जगह जब वो जितनी देर बस एडिट चल रहा होता है उतनी देर ही उसकी बात सुनी जाती है, आगे पीछे उसको कुछ नहीं इज्जत मिलती है. So these things have to change on a very cultural level, and this has to change when we get allies in directors, allies in stars and actors. Because हम लोग अपने दम पे हम तो बहुत टाइम से चिल्ला रहे हैं. जावेद साहब और सलीम साहब वो तो तब जाके अपना नाम लिख के आए थे और तब से थोड़ा सा कल्चरल शिफ्ट आया. राइटर्स की इज्जत करने में, लेकिन फिर भी जावेद साहब भी उतने साल से लगे हुए हैं, आज तक वो नहीं इंश्योर, अकेले वो नहीं करवा पाएंगे और हम भी नहीं करवा पाएंगे कि हीरोज के चैनल पे गुलजार साहब के गाने पे गुलजार साहब को क्रेडिट मिले। आनंद बख्शी साहब के बेटे ने अभी ट्वीट किया सारेगामा को टैग करके कि उनके फादर के गाने हैं आनंद बख्शी, लाइक ओके वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लेजेंड्स हियर, ओके, हु हैव शेप्ड आवर लाइव्स, और उनके गानों में सारेगामा के चैनल पे जो ऑफिशियल गाने हैं उनमें आनंद बख्शी का नाम ही, और डिस्क्रिप्शन में, गाने का डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिखा हुआ है लिसन टू दिस हॉन्टिंग सॉन्ग विद ब्यूटीफुल लिरिक्स, ऐसा सब लिख देंगे। लिखे किसने हैं? अवतार हुए हैं क्या वो लिरिक्स? कहीं से आए हैं क्या? किसी ने लिखे हैं ना भाई, उसका नाम दो।
And also, Varun, you said allies in all these people, and to begin with, it's a stupid and a sad thing to say, but allies even in your composers. You have the composers who are our friends who we work with. यार वो हमको मेलोडी भेज रहे हैं, ईमेल कर रहे हैं, और उसमें आपने सीसी किया हुआ है 3 और लिरिसिस्ट को, यार बीसीसी कर दो, it's right underneath. You don't have to work very hard. BCC.
मत करो ऐसा कुछ भी मत करो।
That's what I'm saying. I know. I'm just being, you know.
करो ही मतलब BCC क्यों कर रहे हो?
मतलब बेशर्मी की हद में बता रहे हैं। और दूसरी, like for example, I had a recent incident where it was a mega launch of a song where it was a huge event, and the platform and the production company and the composers team, they just forgot to invite me.
Yeah.
Yeah, very
The whole
recently.
song, the whole show was launched based on the song, and on stage, there's suddenly somebody remembered and they said, "Oh, but the lyricist, where's the lyricist?" And then some assistant is calling me, "Where are you?" I said, "I'm at home. Where are you? What am I supposed to do?" So you know, he's absolutely right. The consciousness, cultural से पहले भी बस एक wake up. You know, we exist.
और वो होना पड़ेगा, वो it has to happen from the very basis. अब हमारे composers, हमारे directors, ये जो नगमा निगार, जो मतलब जो एक समय था जब रेडियो पे ये 2 नाम आते थे, ये गाना गाया है इसने, ये गाना लिखा है इन्होंने, गाने की मौसीकी है, इसका म्यूजिक बनाया है फला ने, और इस तरह से ये 3 लोग हमारे कानों में एस्टेब्लिश होते थे। हमको वहां पता चल जाता था कि आनंद बख्शी का लिखा हुआ गाना है। ये एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, उतना एयर टाइम आपको देना पड़ेगा, इस बात को, उतना क्रेडिट उसको देना पड़ेगा। तो अगर आप उसको एस्केप करे जा रहे हैं तो वो एस्केप हो रहा है, किसी को पता भी नहीं चलता, आपको नाम से चेहरे से कोई नहीं जानता, सिवा कुछ लोगों के जो इसको बहुत ही डीपली और बहुत ही फॉलो करते हैं। उसके अलावा ज्यादातर लोगों को मालूम नहीं होता। वो आपसे भी ये पूछते, लोगों को ये भी नहीं मालूम है आज की जनरेशन में कि गाने लिखे भी जाते हैं, मतलब
लिखे भी जाते हैं, कौन म्यूजिक बनाता है, कौन लिखता है, कौन
क्या लिखते हो, कैसे लिखते हो,
blurred lines for them. Yeah,
most people think I'm a middle-aged male duo.
What?
Yeah, Kausar / Munir, 2 55-year-old men will appear.
Wow. Kausar ने तो सही में मुझे भी नहीं पता।
Acha, what I find lovely. This is something I really hope that we will see a change in this. You know, what I've read most about the pandemic is that it's going to accelerate disruptions. Yeah. And as power structures are being upended, I hope this is something that comes up, and I hope more people consider it. And I know I've kept you here for far too long, but I just have like very few more questions. One is about this Nagma Bahar, right? Nigar. So you all are competitors, but you're also friends who are on a WhatsApp group. How does this work? Anvita, please tell me, how does it work to sort of be friends? And I know you said in an interview that you also finished writing. I think Varun was writing a mukra, or perhaps was it Swanan that you...
Actually, we've all done it for each other. Whenever we are stuck, we message on the group. Whenever we feel that someone's not able to see our point of view, we seek validation from each other and just support, you know. So that's what we are contemporaries, Anupama. We are not competitors. If somebody has to call someone for Swanand Kirkire's lyrics, वो सिर्फ स्वानंद को बुलाएगा, वो हम में से किसी और को नहीं बुलाएगा. So we are not competitors. And when you see, when you hear good songs, when you see good writing happening, it inspires you to write better. And what better way to, and actually writers, we are a tribe. We're very similar in the way we think and feel, and we're emotional beings. So it's I think but obvious that we should be such good friends, and we are a tribe, we are a community that understands each other. And if we won't help each other, who will? Because कोई हमें म्यूजिक लॉन्च पे तो बुलाने नहीं वाला, तो हम ही आपस में मिलके खुश हो जाते हैं. तो
Acha, I have one question about something that really concerns me. I love songs, and I love the fact that our films have songs, okay? But more and more, I've done this for a long time, and more what I see is the directors are becoming more uncomfortable with songs, with lip sync songs especially. They want them in the background, or they don't want them at all. They can't understand characters. ऐसे कैसे गाने लगेंगे? Is there a possibility of a future without songs, which I don't even want to imagine? But what do you see as the future of songs in Hindi cinema?
My lyric writer herself didn't keep a song in her film, yaar. Bulbul has no song.
एक गाना है, मैंने डिम्पू ने रिकॉर्ड किया. We put 2 lines in the film.
Because she's moved to the dark side.
You moved to the dark side, Anvita.
But can I start?
ये पिक्चर में बहुत सारे गाने. I promise, I swear. The story demands it. By this story demands.
अन्विता हॉरर फिल्म में उसमें क्या कहते हैं, आएगा आने वाला, कितना अच्छा हॉरर फिल्म में गाना था.
Correct.
लेकिन मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, ये बहुत सॉलिड वरी है. Actually what you are talking is again also keeping us away from lesser work. Everybody is doing lesser work because there are. Can I talk about this a little? Basically एक तो क्या हुआ है कि newer directors not very comfortable with lip syncs. Newer directors not very comfortable with the very idea of in their realistic kind of story, a song का situation. Song are merely becoming jingles. कि एक गाना अच्छा लगा दो तो वो सुन के लोग आ जाएंगे पिक्चर देखने के लिए, तो वो ओपनिंग लग जाएगी, तो 2-4 गाने इसलिए कर दो, अच्छे गाने होने चाहिए. लेकिन वो भी नए गाने अब नहीं चल रहे थे, तो वो उन्होंने कहा कि ये म्यूजिक कंपनी ने कहा कि चलो पुराना ही कोई गाना निकाल के उसी को रिमिक्स करके लगा देते हैं. तो नए गाने की फिर जो जरूरत है और चाहत है वो थोड़ी कम होती सी लग रही थी. And now the bigger worry is these platforms. If the films are going to come here, I don't know what is the future of songs here.
Really?
I don't think गाने जाएंगे.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो तो गाना वहां पे आएगा जाएगा. जैसे कई सारी फिल्मों में कौसर के बहुत सुंदर गाने नेटफ्लिक्स के वो रुचि की फिल्म में
गिल्टी
बहुत अच्छे गाने, बहुत खूबसूरत गाने, लेकिन वो कहीं सुनने को नहीं मिलते, कहीं तो वो उसका एक सिस्टम नहीं तैयार हुआ है जैसा फिल्म का. Over the years they had made a system that okay you will get to hear the song in your cassette, on your CD or in the Spotify or wherever, and तो वो गाना हिट कैसे होगा, वो उसका एक कल्चर बनना पड़ेगा. I don't know.
I think Swanand, I feel अभी ट्रांजिशन फेज है इसलिए थोड़ा सा लग रहा है, but I think we will reach a point where 2 things will happen. I believe one, independent music or independent songs will become a bigger thing again. जो हो रहा है धीरे धीरे होगा और वो होता ही जाएगा, क्योंकि फिल्मों से कम हो रहे हैं, लेकिन फिल्मों से गायब नहीं होंगे ऐसा मुझे लगता है, क्योंकि हिंदी सिनेमा है और हमारी मतलब हम सब, मैं तो यहाँ हूँ ही इसलिए क्योंकि मैं गाने सुनता था. फिल्में उतनी नहीं देखता था. फिल्में उतनी देखने को मिलती नहीं थी. दूरदर्शन पे हफ्ते में 1 या 2 आती थी, संडे को आती थी, वो भी विंबलडन वाले हफ्ते में नहीं आती थी, तो मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता था कि फिल्म खा गया हमारी ये. लेकिन ये हिंदी सिनेमा की बहुत यूनिक और बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग चीज है. इट इज अनरियलिस्टिक सम पीपल से, बट सो इज an editing cut. Editing cut is unrealistic. That's not life. You don't see somebody and suddenly you see somebody in close up. No, it doesn't happen. So it's all justifiable. And
it's getting more emotional reality. It's not about realism in that sense. It's about an emotional truth.
The second point is basically, I believe the platforms, if a film is going direct on Netflix or Amazon or anywhere, they will also realize the value of music जो अभी क्योंकि अचानक से हो रहा है तो ट्रांजिशन में they don't really realize, but they will realize that okay, music has the power of getting the numbers. If every business is there, they will still need numbers, they will still compete, and they will bring back songs and they will find ways to promote them the usual way जैसा होता है. So that will happen, and I strongly believe, because most of the stories we tell are love stories in this way or that way,
True,
and
absolutely.
we will write love songs.
I hope always.
songs and love songs and heartbreak songs.
Absolutely. I hope so. I music is too important. Cannot have
Of course.
our lives without Hindi movie songs. Guys, thank you so much. It's been such a pleasure. I could easily spend more time chatting away, but I'm sure my producer is going to have a heart attack of thinking about how she's going to edit this. So listen, it's been lovely, and thank you again. Thank you for the wonderful songs that you've all given us.
Thank
Pleasure,
you.
pleasure.
for having us.
Thank you so much for bringing us together. Fun.
Thank you.
If you like this video,
Please subscribe to Film Companion.